Imagine strapping yourself into a machine that's basically a flying blender with no training wheels. No computers whispering corrections in your ear. No autopilot to bail you out when things get dicey. Just you, raw physics, and a rotor blade spinning like a guillotine above your head. What if the deadliest aircraft in the sky wasn't loaded with high-tech gadgets, but stripped bare to demand pure, unflinching skill? That's the MH-6 Little Bird. The helicopter that turns elite pilots into legends or sends them packing. It's not hard to fly because it's broken. It's hard because it's honest, forcing you to confront every gust of wind, every twitch of the controls, like a bare-knuckle brawl with gravity itself. Feel that's the rush of knowing one wrong move and you're a statistic. Now, let's dive deeper. When we talk about the toughest military birds to pilot, helicopters dominate the conversation. Fixed-wing jets. They glide like eagles, built to soar. Helicopters, they're defiant beasts, beating the air into submission just to stay aloft. It's like convincing a brick to dance. Possible, but exhausting. Aliens spying on us must think we're insane, clambering into these whirling death traps. But among helos, the Little Bird stands out as the ultimate test, a machine that amplifies every error into potential catastrophe. The Little Bird family splits into two heart-pounding variants. The MH-6 is the stealthy inserter, a light assault chopper where special forces operators perch on external benches like daredevils on a roller coaster from hell. Picture this, you're zipping through enemy territory at night, wind whipping your face, clinging to skids while the pilot threads through urban canyons. It's the epitome of hold on tight, one jolt, and you're airborne in the wrong way. Then there's the AH-6, the attack version. Armed to the teeth with miniguns rattling like angry hornets, rocket pods spewing fire, and even hellfire missiles for that extra punch. Someone at the drawing board saw this pint-sized powerhouse and decided, let's make it a flying arsenal. It's not just transportation, it's a predator, darting in to unleash hell before vanishing into the shadows. Specs-wise, this bird hits around 150 knots, max, cruising at 110, fast enough to outrun trouble but nimble for tight spots. Its surface ceiling pushes into the stratosphere, but it thrives low, hugging the ground where radar struggles to spot it. Endurance, 1 to 2.5 hours, stretching to 250 miles on a tank, though weather, load, and mission tweaks those numbers. Light and lethal, it's perfect for quick strikes, not long hauls. Operated solely by the 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment. The Nightstalkers. These pilots are the ghosts of the sky. Their motto, Nightstalkers don't quit. They handle ops that start with classified and end with miraculous, like midnight raids or extracting VIPs from hellholes. If regular pilots fly for glory, these guys fly for survival, making the impossible routine. The Little Bird's origins. Not some billion-dollar lab creation. It traces back to the Hughes OH-6 Cayuse, a Vietnam scout helo that proved its metal-dodging jungle fire, evolving into the MD500 Defender and MD-530F. It's essentially a civilian chopper toughened up for war, like taking a family sedan and arming it with machine guns. This wasn't laziness. It was smart procurement. Why reinvent the wheel when you can upgrade a reliable one? The military grabbed this proven frame, stripped comforts, added modular goodies, weapons mounts, sensors, even infrared jammers. It's customizable chaos. Bolt on a minigun here, a rocket pod there, turning it into a bespoke killing machine. Cost-effective too, by Pentagon standards, letting funds flow to training rather than endless R&D. Imagine souping up your old Civic with nitro boosts and armor plating, then racing it through a battlefield. That's the Little Bird. Agile, affordable, and always ready for upgrades. But here's the kicker. Simplicity breeds complexity in flight. Modern helos pamper pilots with fly-by-wire wizardry, where computers interpret stick movements, gyros stabilize wobbles, and autopilots hold hovers like a steady hand. Sensors feed data to processors that tweak hydraulics subtly, preventing flips or stalls. It's like driving a Tesla with auto-lane keep. Forgiving, intuitive. The Little Bird, barebones hydraulics assist, but no digital nanny. Controls are mechanical linkages. Pull the cyclic and the rotor tilts directly, no questions asked. No stability systems to dampen oscillations, no autopilot for respite. It's raw. You versus aerodynamics. Every input echoed precisely. Screw up a hover. No computer corrects. Physics slaps you down. It's akin to piloting a vintage muscle car on black ice. Power steering, absent. Traction nil, and bullets pinging off the hood. This stripped design makes it acrobatic, perfect for dodging wires or perching on ledges. Small size means stealth, but it demands perfection. Pilots feel every vibration, every wind shear, like extensions of their nerves. It's unforgiving, turning minor lapses into major disasters, breaking it down. Those mechanical controls mean instant response. No lag, but no forgiveness. Move the stick an inch. The bird pitches an inch. Overcorrect, you're spiraling. It's muscle memory on steroids. Brain wired to machine. Twitchiness amplifies this. Sensitive rotors react to the lightest touch, like a hyperactive puppy on caffeine. Aggressive inputs, overreaction city. Too soft, drift into doom. Hovering's the nightmare. Inches from rooftops under NVGs, placing seals precisely while rotors kiss buildings. Imagine threading a needle blindfolded, except the needle's a ton of metal whirling at 300 RPM, and failure means pancaked teammates. Missions crank the dial to 11. Night ops in cities. Mountain perches, ship decks, bucking in storms. All for Tier 1 units like Delta or SEALs. These pilots aren't just flying, they're surgeons with joysticks, slicing through chaos. MH6, South hug obstacles. Operators on skids, brushing walls. OH-6 South rain fire surgically, distinguishing foes from friends in door-to-door fights. No room for error, one stray rocket, and it's tragedy. A Nightstalker summed it. It's honest, moves exactly as you command. No more, no less. No mercy. That's the allure and terror. Pure skill, unfiltered. The Little Bird's legend. Forged in fire. Mogadishu, 1993. Black Hawk Down chaos. While UH-60s fell, MH-6s danced through RPG storms, rooftop dropping Delta snipers amid urban hell. Bullets whizzing, rotors chopping air thick with smoke. Pilots landed, loaded, lifted off repeatedly, turning suicide runs into saves. Grenada, 1983. Urgent fury. Little birds ferried rangers to rooftops, evading AA fire in pre-dawn gloom. Ship ops 2. Precarious purchase on rolling decks. Prime chance, 1987-88. Persian Gulf hunts for Iranian miners. AH-6 South launched from barges, miniguns blazing at speedboats, all while balancing on waves. Panama, 1989. Just cause. Rooftop assaults, beacon drops, Little Birds led, turning urban mazes into kill zones. Even civilian kin shown. Blackwater's MD-530s in Iraq. Ex-Nightstalkers piloting. 2007 Baghdad ambush. Convoy torched. Ambassador trapped. Little Bird dives in, dodging wires and fire. Lands in the kill zone. Extracts under hail. Heroics amid horror. Unclassified tales scratch the surface. Counter-tour strikes. Mountain rescues. Global shadows. Little Birds whisper in. Execute. Vanish. Pilots. Haunted by those razor-thin margins. This demands elite aviators. No half measures. Master or bust. Loved for responsiveness. Feel the airframe hum. Every nuance. Feared for workload. Constant vigilance. No nets. Compared to the Black Hawk, US-60s, the reliable truck, hauls, troops, weathers, hits, with autopilots and stability aids easing the load. Fly IFR through clouds. No sweat. It's utility incarnate, computers smoothing rough flights, so pilots mission focus. Little Bird, precision scalpel over sledgehammer. Analog purity, skill trumps tech, stealth over strength, demanding godlike control. In essence, Little Birds redefine difficult, pure skill in every maneuver. No crutches. Advanced. Sometimes it's subtraction. Engineering plus training equals unmatched capability. Safety. Your talent alone. Tougher bird out there. Comment below. To expand. Pilots train endlessly in simulators mimicking the twitch, but nothing beats real air. Nightstalkers endure grueling selections, pushing limits till flying's instinct. Upgrades keep it relevant. Better engines for hotter climbs, advanced optics for sharper eyes. Yet core remains mechanical mastery. Missions evolve too. Drones rise, but Little Bird's human touch. Adapting mid-flight, feeling the wind. Irreplaceable for ops needing intuition over algorithms. It's a love-hate icon. Thrills of control, chills of risk. For Nightstalkers, it's family trusted in the breach. So, the Little Bird endures, proving human skills the ultimate weapon. In a digital age, it's analog rebellion, reminding. Sometimes, less is lethally more.